Today, we're diving into the LG EBR74796444 main PCB assembly, an essential component for various LG electronic devices. This OEM part is designed to seamlessly integrate into compatible models, ensuring reliable performance and compatibility. As an authorized replacement part, it meets the high standards set by LG Electronics, promising durability and efficiency. When it comes to repairs and maintenance of LG appliances, having the right components is crucial. The LG EBR74796444 PCB assembly stands out for its quality construction and compatibility with a range of LG products. Whether you're repairing a refrigerator, washing machine, or another LG appliance, this part ensures that your device operates as smoothly as when it was new. Installing the LG EBR74796444 is straightforward for those familiar with electronics repair, though professional installation is recommended for those less experienced. Once installed, it restores the functionality of your appliance, addressing issues like power supply problems or circuit malfunctions effectively. Overall, the LG EBR74796444 main PCB assembly is a reliable choice for anyone needing to replace a faulty board in their LG appliance. Its OEM status guarantees a precise fit and optimal performance, making it a worthwhile investment for extending the life of your LG device. Then if you're looking to restore your LG appliance to peak condition, the LG EBR74796444 main PCB assembly is a top contender, ensuring your appliance runs smoothly for years to come.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.